Good morning to all. I am G.A. Hegde, working as Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, KGF First Aid College, Urgaon, KGF. Today, we shall discuss about the third session of metallurgy. This chapter is included for third semester BSc, Bangalore North University. In this session, we will discuss about the various methods of extracting the metals, the various methods used in purification of the metals, and also applications of Ellingham's diagrams in selection of reducing agent. After studying this, you will understand about the different steps in extracting metals. You will also understand about the different types of purification of metals and also the latest technology used in purification of metals. In order to understand this, you must have the knowledge of the different methods used in concentrating the ores, the different methods used in extracting impure metals, and also the various methods used in purification of the impure metals. With this, let us discuss the use of Ellingham's diagrams in selecting the reducing agent. The first use is carbon can reduce zinc oxide to zinc because delta G formation of carbon dioxide is more negative than the formation of zinc oxide. The second one is aluminium can reduce chromium oxide to chromium because delta G formation of aluminium trioxide is more negative than the formation of chromium trioxide. The next is refining of metals. The metals obtained from the concentrated ore contains impurities. The removal of impurities to get the pure metals is known as refining or purification. The various methods are: the first one is electrolytic refining. In this process, the aqueous solution of the salt is made as electrolyte. The impure metal is made as anode and a thin sheet of the pure metal made as cathode. On passing the current, metal ion gets reduced and deposited on the cathode. An equivalent amount of metal goes into the solution from the anode. Impurities are collected as anode mud at the bottom. For example, during the refining of impure copper, acidified copper sulfate is used as an electrolyte. Sheets of impure copper is made as anode and thin sheet of pure metal is made as cathode. Using this method, metals like copper, silver, zinc, etc. are purified. The next method is vapor phase refining. This method is based on the thermal decomposition of metal compounds. The process of decomposition of compound into different substances by heating is known as thermal decomposition. Impure metal is converted into volatile stable compound. The compound obtained is then decomposed to get pure metal. For example, the first one is Mond's process. The pure nickel is extracted using this process. In this process, impure nickel is converted to tetracarbonyl nickel at 330 to 350 Kelvin temperature, which decomposes at 450 Kelvin temperature to give pure nickel. The equation is Ni solid plus 4CO gas gives rise to NiCO4 times solid. This On heating, decomposes to Ni solid plus 4CO gas. The second method is Van Arkel process. The pure zirconium is extracted using this process. In this process, impure zirconium is heated with limited amount of iodine at 885 degree Kelvin. The vapors of zirconium tetraiodide formed are allowed to diffuse on tungsten filament at 2070 Kelvin temperature. The zirconium tetraiodide decomposes to form zirconium, which is deposited on tungsten. The equation is zirconium plus 2I2 gives rise to zirconium tetraiodide ZrI4, which on heating decomposes to zirconium plus 2I2. The next method of refining is zone refining. This process is based on the property that when an impure molten metal cooled gradually, pure crystals of metals separates. The impurities are left in the remaining part of the molten metal. For example, using this method, silicon, germanium, gallium, etc. are purified. This process is carried in an inert atmosphere. A circular heater fitted around an impure metal rod is slowly moved from one end to the other. The heater melts a band of metal, and as the heater moves ahead, the pure metal crystallizes out of the melt. All impurities reach other end of the rod. This end is cut and discarded. After studying this, you just recall what we discussed so far. We have discussed about the different types of the extracting metals and the different methods of purification of metals, and also the application of Ellingham's diagram in selecting reducing agent. With this, we shall try to answer some simple questions. The first question is, the ultra pure metals are obtained by using. The answer is D, electrolytic refining. The second one, nickel is purified by using. The correct answer is C, Mond's process. The next one, silicon metal is purified by. The answer is C, zone refining process. The next is the metal which can be refined by Van Arkel process is. The correct answer is B, zirconium. To prepare this, I have referred these textbooks and also internet. For further information, you can also refer these textbooks and also internet. Thank you.